It's Monday, June 11th, and we're standing just outside the north entry canopy. We'll be turning this over this coming Wednesday. The temp walls will be coming down. A few items will be taken care of before it's 100%, but Wednesday's the day to turn it over. So last video we didn't have any of the panels on the front side, and a lot of the glass wasn't replaced yet, so we just wanted to give you a quick shot of what it looks like now with the windows being replaced and the panels on. The last thing that we could get done would be the sunshades. So we're standing on the second floor dining area. We just took down the temporary walls and we got the ceiling all set, flooring's done, and the next thing we would have to do is finish up the nourishment bar. But this is going to be the second floor, and we also turned over the third floor. Alright, we're standing on what will be the East Therapy room. We just took this over today so that we can continue the demo. Started this part of it last week, and then we're going to continue with this half of it this week. Hopefully the next video will be into some of our finishes. Alright, we're standing in the east wing right now. We got the permanent lighting in, and we're starting a lot of the finishes inside the room. So we'll take a quick look in one of the rooms right now. We got the LVT flooring in, some of the base trim, paint on the walls. Corridor work will happen late this week, beginning part of next week. Stepping on into one of the rooms with a shower. A lot of the finishes inside these bathrooms are completed with grab bars, mirrors, toilet, shower fixtures. Last thing to happen in these rooms would be a final coat of paint. And then, alright, we're standing in the fourth floor kitchen. We just started to do the work in here. Stainless steel tables are mounted right now. The MEPs are continuing to get installed. There are a few other items that need installation for equipment and whatnot. The Ansel system still needs to get installed, but it's plugging away pretty good, and we're hoping to be done in another 2 weeks. Well, that concludes our video tour for this month. Hopefully the next time we see you guys, we're going to have some more finishes done and possibly turn over some areas back to the home. Until then, we'll see you